What's up guys, Steven Dux here. Today I want to talk about AKER and BSPN. BSPN, very low market cap, low flow, and we are shorting into the resistance. I would say risking that $5 area, risking that 4.5, and understanding that when the stock is started slowly grinding and there's no reward because there's support everywhere, support at 3.4, support at 3.2, support at $4 area. So when you're shorting, try to get those 20 cents, 30 cents, that 5%, 3% reward, understanding your risk, because even though there is decent amount of resistance there, shorting into it is still really dangerous because there's no reward. Short squeeze can happen really easily. Like this morning, it got halted around 475. I actually went long on this 4.1 area, thinking it's gonna squeeze a little bit more, but this huge candle got stuffed. As you can see, this almost 500k and 500k share traded and went nowhere. So when you see a big volume underneath and the price didn't even change, that means the selling volume is very high. And when you're going long, when you see that kind of candle, you typically do not want to keep going long. That's probably the signal you want to sell. AKER, you went parabolic on Friday, and there's no resistance you can risk off. In the long-term chart, it's trading massive amount of volume. I'm looking for the continuations on Monday. If it gaps up, that'd be great, because the chart is trading the brand new fresh volume, very heavy, so the resistance is going to be very heavy too. And as a short sellers, keep this on your watch list, and once it gets overextended and creates massive volume of backholders, that's where you want to start getting in and rides the downside of this insane parabolics. Now also I want to talk about ATOS. Sorry, I'm a little bit sick today. And you went from 30 cents to almost $1, and there's resistance for you to risk off, which is around 1.5. There's one about $1 in this area. So either you can risk this 93 cents or the 1.5. Seems like people are shorting risking now at 93 cents. As myself, I don't like to short under $1 stock because that's down my style, and the commissions are fairly expensive shorting low priced stock, because you have to get a lot of shares. And when you get a lot of shares, you trade a lot of shares, there's going to be a lot of commissions. So when the trade is not there, don't place any trades, even though for a week, even though for a month, because you don't want to get rushed into the stock market. You do want to be patient. You don't want to wait for the right setups to make that good 20-30%. And that's it for guys. Thank you very much for today. You guys have a great day.